Hello everyone, I hope you're having a great spooky day. For today's Vlogoween, we are doing a house tour of all the decorations that I put up on the first day of Vlogoween. Do you see Usagi? Oh, he has his little blankie. I'm 5. So yeah, we're gonna do a little tour of all the decorations that I put up. The outside ones aren't up yet because it's still too early to do so, but we'll have a video of that when it happens. Let's go! Okay, so at the start of the house we have this that my mom made. A lot of what you're gonna see is what my mom made with needlepoint. This is what you saw in the first video where his head was unstitched, but she fixed it. So there they are. And this is Edwin. I got him when I was in college, and he's still here with us today. And then here is Rob. One of my great friends gave him to me, because if he didn't give him to me, he would have gone to Goodwill. But Rob is now part of the family. And then these are little Halloween dresses that my dog used to have. Her name was Missy. She had 2 little cute dresses that she loved, and she was so spoiled she never wanted to take them off, and we did take them off her. There's some more needlepoint. A lot of these are really old. We've had them for a very long time. And then this is the TV mantle. A lot of this is new. This is new. I think all of this is new, except for the little skull candles and this little Boo candy jar. But a lot of this my uncle bought. All these little figurines. These came from Michael's. This is my first time seeing all this stuff too, since I was in college for 4 years. And then this mantelpiece. This is very new. We had just ordered this and got it in. And a little haunted house that my mom made. These skulls that glow, but we need batteries for them. Another little candy dish. These ghosts that say spooky that I got in college. Another little haunted house. These I'm sure took forever. Lots of little pieces to put together. Then he's new. His eyes light up, but we also need batteries for him. We need a lot of batteries for stuff. And then here she is, this witch that my mom made. You put a brick in the back here so that she stands up. But we don't have a brick. We used to have a brick. I don't know where the brick is. We have another one with Frankie. I think once we put them outside, but it was actually on Halloween, because we're not going to leave them out there. And there's this witch. I would say this is probably my favorite one. I don't know. I really like the way she looks. I really like playing with the spider. It's really squishy. And then here's this other witch. Let me move my base out of the way. That's here. A lot of these have been here since I was, I don't know, like 8. A very, very long time. And then my mom made this. It's a Pringles can on the inside. And you just put needlepoint this together and slip it over. And she has this little cover here. You gotta be very careful with it. And then the Happy Halloween with the tree that goes there every year. And then this is new. We just bought this little cover from Halloween Express. And here's another mantle cover, or table cover that's new. This little pumpkin. And then this little girl, I had her in college as well. I really like her a lot. And then this little pumpkin that you put a candle in. And now for my absolute favorite part is the table that's in the middle of the living room. That's the big piece that you see when you walk in. Here it is. Here is the table. It's all the little trinkets that we've bought over the years. All the little things that my mom has made. these coasters, because you always have to have a coaster. You can't put anything wet straight onto the table. All these cute little coasters. And this little RIP guy. A little mummy guy candle holder. This little hanging skeleton man. The kids, I call these the kids. I think they're kids. Maybe. Ghouls. I don't know, I call them the kids. And this bride. And the stack of pumpkins. With a skull on top. That's really cute. I like that. And there's the groom. And here's the entrance to everything. And there's some more candle holders. The witch and a ghost. Which we never put candles in. Well, I'm sorry if you didn't hear that. I had the speaker covered. But we never put candles in them because they're here for decoration, not for use. If we put a candle in it, it's kind of gonna, you know, ruin the look of the inside. Look at that face, focus. There we go. Another little hanging guy. Doesn't look very happy. I understand. Another RIP. Here's another haunted house that my mom made. Lots of haunted houses, lots of time into making these. A tissue box that she made. She's really big on tissue boxes. And here's the tree. And the candy's almost gone. We gotta get some more candy. We have more candy on the bottom, but we gotta get some more already. More coasters. Then another candy holder. With this little kitty cat. We don't have a name for him, I think. We usually name everything, which is how I've gotten into the habit of naming everything. And we have this candy jar. And every year we just put a little ribbon for whatever holiday we're celebrating. And then here's this jack-o'-lantern candy holder as well. And then behind him is this mat that we have down here. And in my room, I have one of these little dudes that my uncle sent me in college. I would play the song that he's playing, but I don't know, I might get in trouble for it. I'm not sure. It's Another One Bites the Dust that he plays. And it's really cute. Yay. Then I found this guy at a store while I was in college. I forgot what the store was called. I mean, he is Halloween themed, but I have him on my backpack all the time because I'm Halloween obsessed. He's so cute. It looks like he's looking at you as you're walking with your backpack on. That's adorable. I mean M&M's, sorry. So that's it for today's video. Very short, quick, sweet, to the point. I hope you're enjoying Vlogoween thus far. We still have a lot more in store. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you'd like to do so, you can subscribe down below. If you'd like to follow me on my other social media, you can do so, linked down below. And I will see you tomorrow for the next one.